Hi, today we're here at SIP. This is Daniel, I'm Marie. We are actually going to make a Spanish coffee today. Daniel's going to demonstrate how we do this.
Yes, I am. So we have several ingredients here. One of the things that I'd like to mention is there is several variations of a Spanish coffee, depending on where you get it. So the ingredients I'm going to be using today is Bacardi 151 is our rum element. It is a high-proof alcohol, but we use that to burn and caramelize some of the sugar on here, so a lot of that alcohol burns off. Leaves a nice sugar rum flavor. Grand Marnier instead of triple sec, which is typical. Makes it a little bit better quality in my opinion. And Kahlua, that'll be the Spanish element. We also have several other ingredients. Cafe Vita Espresso that we grind in-house. I already have it reduced to a shot here. Some cinnamon and house whipped cream. So let's go ahead and begin. I already have the 151 in there. Somewhat difficult to see during the daytime. If you've ever been in here at night though, you know the lighting is a little bit lower, so it's a little bit cooler to see. But that is on fire, and basically what I'll do is let that burn for a little bit, and that'll caramelize the sugar for me.
Daniel, why do you caramelize the sugar on the glass?
That kind of reduces the granulation a little bit, makes it easier to sip. Also brings out some of the vanilla notes. Plus the show isn't half bad either. So you do kind of have to keep turning this. The crystal on a snifter is fine. If we left it, it'd get a little bit hot and crack. So it does take a certain amount of skill. I'm adding a little cinnamon here. Kind of toast it for aroma. Adds just a little bit of flavor. Sometimes it does go out every now and then. You can kind of see it starting to bubble here. So we want to make sure it doesn't actually burn. So once you see it starting to melt and kind of turn brown and run down the side, it's just about ready. Alright, so now go ahead and add that shot. And that'll help put out the flame. Sometimes we just kind of run our hand over it afterwards if it's still burning, and that'll help put it out. While it's still warm, we already have our rum in there. We'll add our other two ingredients. About 2 ounces, 1 ounce of both. And then finally, we'll add our house whipped cream. And finish it off with just a little bit more cinnamon. Sometimes we'll add an orange peel if you'd like. There is a heavy orange element because of the Grand Marnier. But otherwise, we have a nice finished product.